Hi, my name is Randy Lehoux. I'm owner of Guitar Suspension Solutions, an inventor of several products that I believe will help musicians, guitar players and banjo players and others play better longer. You may also know me as Bif Zane. You may be familiar with my albums, Mama, Look, No Hands, or Bif Zane, Get a Kazoo. Also available as instrumentals. Not yet available, but hope to be made available soon, and I'll update the video when I get that information. But the Bif Zane book on perfect guitar chords for 20 scales. The story behind Guitar Suspension Solutions is I had received some patents on products that I had developed, and people told me that I had to have somebody famous to promote my products. Well, being an inventor and underfunded, I couldn't afford to have somebody famous promote my products, so I developed Bif Zane. In order to be Bif Zane, because I wasn't a musician, I developed the book, Perfect Guitar Chords for 20 Scales. Reading other books, and from those books, developing this book, I was able to produce the two CDs as well as the instrumentals. Some of the products that I've invented I have here. The first one is a pivot pad cushion support for guitars and banjos that helps musicians play better longer. The other device that I have is called a BodLock 2-in-1 guitar banjo strap. It can be used for other devices. Today I'm going to I'm going to demonstrate how to use the BodLock 2-in-1 guitar strap. There are 3 configurations. The configuration I'm going to do today is the enhanced configuration in seated play using a classical guitar and a bass guitar. In the enhanced configuration, a strap is placed around the hip. Only one connector is used, only one connection is made on the instrument. The basic BodLock is just simply a strap that is not, it's not laced through a buckle. So when you receive your BodLock strap, lace it, add your components. 1, add a strap button connector, and 2, add a sliding lock. Add the sliding lock, and keep the hook tape on the top, because over here we have a loop tape and a 5-inch rough, which is hook tape, but BodLock comes with a 5-inch rough, a 15-inch rough, and a 31-inch rough. And we'll get to that a little bit more later. But to add the components to the length adjustment section of BodLock, simply unlace from the buckle, slide the components over the strap, and lace back through the buckle. We're going to use BodLock in the enhanced configuration. An enhanced configuration is from the original invention, where you take the length adjustment side using the connector, go through past the other end of the strap with the loop tape through the string opening. On the sliding lock is hook tape that should be on the top. Press the loop tape down onto the hook tape. Press firmly and make sure all your connections are secure. You can adjust the length of your BodLock 2-in-1 guitar strap by tilting the buckles slightly and sliding in the desired direction. Connect to the far end of the guitar, the strap button. And I'm going to hang the guitar in the forward direction to demonstrate how weight is directed to the hip. BodLock can also be used on the outside of the leg. You can add a 2-inch pivot pad with a medium backboard and get extra support along with your BodLock. Tuck it in your belt, pass it around your belt, or tuck it into your waistband. Connect only to the far end of the guitar. Play better longer. Let's consider use of a classical guitar with a footstool. Release the grip, guitar falls. This is going to squeak a bit because I have a rubber suction cup glued on the end of my guitar. When players are trying to get more relaxed while they play the guitar, hour after hour, BodLock can help. Better yet, add a 2-inch pad with a large backboard pivot pad. To act as a stirrup. Play better longer. Well, thank you for watching this introductory video, and I hope it helped you understand how you too can play better longer. You can find more videos like this one at guitarsuspensionsolutions.com, and I hope you check out Bif Zane Music at Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Prime, and more. Thank you for watching.